Alright guys, today we got a 92 case 580 Super K 4-wheel drive backhoe being sold for parts. 4-in-1 clamshell bucket. Outside edge, it's been welded. Customer we purchased it from bought it for a parts machine. Never used it, did cover the exhaust. Don't know why it was originally parked and parted out. Said when he bought it, the injection pump was missing. Don't know what else, any other reasons. It's got black oil in it. Hydraulic pump. Motor arms been welded back together. Lots of good salvageable parts here. We have cylinders too on the pallet. I'll show you in just a second. Now, we have a pallet over here with some more cylinders on it. That came with it. If you have any more questions, give us a call and get your shipping quotes. We can also assist you in loading it onto your trailer.